Yes, today first day. Yes, today's agenda. What is today's agenda here? Today's agenda means what are the topics we will discuss. Today's agenda here. First, about me. Yes, trainer introduction. So first of all, about me, trainer introduction. Okay, about trainer, about me, introduction. Next after that, about your course, about me. Next about course. Yes, next. What is prerequisites? What is prerequisites to learn Java? Next, about course contents. Course contents. Yeah, this is today topic. Today topic. Just about me. Today topic is just about me. Next, about course. Next, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Next, about course contents. This is today's agenda. Today, first step, today's agenda. This is okay. So first of all, about me. Yes, about me. Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao. This is Nageswar Rao. Yes, well-known trainer for Java. This is Nageswar Rao, well-known trainer for Java. Yes, leading trainer. Okay, in the markets. Okay. Yes. Yes, totally here. Yes, having 23 years of experience in software fields. Yes, by most of the experience Java. Next Hadoop, big data and Linux. This is my area of experience. Java, Hadoop, big data, Linux. Yeah, these three are related things. Linux. Okay, Hadoop and big data completely related Linux based. Yes, here like total. Yes, 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. Total 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. Yes, 19th projects. Yes, will be starting in the month of October. Next month, 19th projects. 19th one will be starting. Yes, in the month of October. Okay. Yes. So what is current working company? Yes. So this is This is Nageswar Rao, having 23 years of experience. My most of experience in this area. Yes. Total 18 projects completed. 19th project. 19th one will be starting in the month of October. Yes. Present working company. Working company. Yes. In this payroll company. Yes. Payroll company. Silotech Private Limited. Silotech Private Limited. Yes, very good company. Yes, Silotech Private Limited. You can check it. Yes, more than 500 members staff. Out of 500 members, 150 Java team. Yes, Java team. 150 members Java team. This company. This is present working company. Okay, this is my present working company. Yes. Yes, a payroll company. It's a payroll company. Next client. Current client is PayPal. PayPal for Java projects. Java projects. Next, T-Bolt for Hadoop projects. Yes, presently working on both Hadoop and Java. So client Yes, PayPal for Java projects, Deworld for Hadoop projects. They are the clients. Clients. Deworld. Yes, PayPal. I think need not to tell about PayPal. It's in. Yes, PayPal payment gateway. That is. Yes, next Deworld. Deworld. Yes, US based company. Yes, even at this Deworld here, I was in USA for 2 years. I worked for this Deworld for 2 years at USA. 2 years. Yes, 2013 on 2014. Yes, at ESA. I was at ESA. Worked with DWorld, that data center, DWorld company for Hadoop project setup, for Hadoop cluster setup. Yes, I was there for 2 years. I worked there 2 years. After later came to Hyderabad and continuing here only. So for this DWorld company, for this DWorld, for DWorld. Yes, see, 1 second. Totally 18 projects completed. Totally 18 projects. 18 projects. See, out of 18 projects, first two projects, first two projects, first two projects, yes, on embedded C. Yes, even at the beginning of the career, I have the embedded C experience also. Embedded C. First two projects on embedded C. Embedded C. First two projects. Next 12 projects on Java. 12 projects, Java completed. Next, 4 projects on Hadoop. 4 projects on Hadoop here. This is my total career. 12 projects on Java. Okay. So next projects, the 19th projects is Java. Yes, 19th projects. Yes, now currently recruitments are going on. One second. Yes. See, this is, yes, Gmail. Yes, I received from the yes, our HR, silotech.com. Okay, he says yes. By this Gmail here, forwarding to somebody, forwarding to outside who are interested in joining company here for the recruitment drive. This is all seniors. Okay, yes, around yes, nine months duration project, 3 to 7 years of experience, 6 to 9 years of experience. These experience case we are recruiting now currently. Yes, next month you have to start that project. Okay, yes. So this is about myself. Yes, about me introduction. This is okay. Yes, Nageswar Rao. Yes, having 23 years of experience. Yes, even training also I have very good experience. In training also very good experience. Since last 2 years, I'm taking online training. Yes, for this Durgasoft. Only online classes. Online classes from Durgasoft. Okay. Yes. So most of my experience. Yes, embedded C also, but at the beginning, not now. Yes, embedded C. Yes, I worked at the beginning itself. Beginning worked. No, I'm not working in embedded C. Yes. No, presently working Java, Hadoop, Big Data, Linux. This area I'm working here. Okay, so that's all about me. Yes, about me. That's all. Yes, lot of experience, lot of career. Worked with many clients. Okay, many clients, multiple exposure. Yes, next about your course. Let us come to yes about course. About course. See about course. Your course. Yes, your course. Yes, it's a core Java. Core Java. Course is core Java. Core Java. Next duration. Duration 75 days. 75 days. Duration 75 days. Next time. Time 5 to yes 6:30 p.m. Time 5 to 6:30 p.m. Time yes Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes. Sunday no class. Sunday no class. Okay. Yes, next 3 demo classes you can attend here. 3 demo classes you can attend. No issue. Yes, afterwards finally you can decide it. 3 demo class, next 3 coming. Yes, today of course simply demo only here, just introduction, course introduction. Tomorrow starting actual classes, even classes, even actual class you can take it as demo. Okay, till Thursday you can attend demo classes, then you can decide. Till Thursday, 3 demo classes. After completing 3 demo classes, you can decide it. Okay. Yes, next one more thing, just you can ask your friends, about trainer, about Nageswar, how Nageswar is teaching classes, taking classes, yes, depth of subjects, and all of this. Just inquire with your friends. Any of your friends already taking classes here, taking training, just you ask them, they will tell you. Okay. Yes. So this is about course. So course Java duration 75 days, time 5 to 6:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday classes. 3 demo classes you can attend till Thursday. Till Thursday you can attend. Okay. Next, what are the facilities? What are the facilities providing for you? Let us see the facilities. What are the services from our side? Services, daily recordings, daily recordings, daily recordings, daily recordings shared, daily recordings shared to your Gmail ID, daily recordings shared to Gmail ID just within 1 hour of finishing class. Daily recordings shared to your Gmail ID just within 1 hour of finishing class. Within 1 hour, 1 hour of finishing class, 1 hour of finishing class, 1 hour of finishing class. By 8 or 9 p.m. you can watch it. By 8 p.m. you can watch it. 8 p.m. So just daily recordings, yes, share it to yes. Daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID. Gmail ID within 1 hour of finishing class. Within 1 hour. Yes. You can watch any number of times. Yes, you can watch. You can watch any number of times. Any number of times. Any number of times. No limits. No limits. You can watch any number of times, no limits. Next, apart from this facility, so one more facility here. See, one more facility. Suppose anyone unable to continue classes, after some time. Yes, you can continue for next batch. Due to some reasons, unable to continue classes after some time here. Yes, you can come for next batch also. That facility also. Yes, you can attend. Yes, another batch. You can attend next batch also, no issue. I'm providing that facility also. If anyone unable to continue classes after some time, you can attend another batch also. Another batch you can attend here. That facility also I'm providing. Okay, fine. So here recordings, so daily recordings plus yes, your class documents, plus software, JDK software. Yes, all of these things provided to you. JDK software, Eclipse and all this. JDK software and Eclipse. All these softwares are provided. Yes, recordings. About recordings here. Recordings. Recently completed batch recordings. Recently completed batch. Yes. Recently completed 2 batches recordings I'll show you. Okay. 2 batches. Recently completed 2 batches. Here this is this batch. Yes, 21st April started batch. 21st April batch started here. Yes, next. Yes, 7th July come. Total is 65 sessions. 75 days, 65 sessions. 75 days, 65 sessions. Only 10 holidays means only Sunday holiday. Only Sunday holiday. See, exactly 75 days completed. 21st April and 7th July. Exactly 76 days were taken. 76 days and 65 sessions this batch. Okay, next one more, another batch recently completed. 6:30 p.m. I think. Yeah, 6:30 p.m. No. not 6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. current going on batch. That is 1 second. Recently completed 6 p.m. Yes, 6 p.m. This is 6 p.m. 17th May completed. Yes, 8th August. 8th August recently completed this batch. 8th August completed. Totally 71 sessions taken. 71 sessions. For this batch, less holidays given. I think yes, 78 days were taken for this batch. 17th May to yes 8th August. I think around 78 or 80 days max. Okay, 71 sessions were taken for them. Holidays rare case, only Sunday holiday. Only Sunday holiday is Monday to Saturday continuously taking classes. Complete time is committed time. 75 days means exactly 75 days finishing. Suppose if extending maybe 1 or 2 class extending, that's it. More than that, not more than that. Complete time is committed time. My commitment will be like that. Okay. Yes. So about recordings here. Next one more thing. Yes, no tracking course. Okay. Once started continuously. Yes, some trainers may be dragging to form their batch. Not required for automatically my batch will be formed. By the end of this week, complete batch will be forming. Next, class documents. Yes, this is our class document here. Class document, Java documents, Java. This is class document. Class document. Yes, 20th September. Yes, updated. Yesterday morning only this is just modified. Some new topics were added. Yes, Java 20th September updated documents. Updated documents. So this is your class document. This is complete class document. 1 second. See your complete class document. This is yes. In class, notes is not necessary. Writing running notes is not no running notes. Running notes is not necessary. It's not necessary here. So wasting of time in writing running notes. No running notes. Running notes is not necessary. Yes, this document very clearly prepared. Running notes you need not write here. Very clearly prepared. See here, this is documents here on 537 page documents. 537 page document. Totally 537 page document. Totally 530. Yes. 537 page document. Completely totally 537 page documents. This document for you only. I'll share with you. Yes, here everything prepared. So whatever topics I'm explaining every day here, yes, all were prepared in document here. But these documents same as my way of order. So what's the order I'm following here? Same order document is there. See, in daily classes, I'll be using Notepad. Explanation purpose, I'll be using Notepad and Word. Notepad and Word. Explanation purpose. Yes, what are the topics explaining? Everything prepared in document. Even single word is not missing. Single word is not missing. Everything is the document here. Single word is not missing. Everything is there. Okay, even order are the same as my explanation. Same as my explanation here. So what are the topic explained? Same topic is in document here. Okay, same as my order of explanation this is. Okay, generally most of the trainers there is no link between their class and document. Like that they will give you. Yes, they will give the document. They will prepare document like this. Class and document, no link. So generally they will copy from the Google site, different sites, paste and prepare they'll cook the book simply. Cookbook, just cooking book. Just they take all the coordinates from different sites and paste and preparing PDF file. But it's not like this. Complete my experience. This is complete my experience. Same as my order of explanation, document order also. Even single word is not missing. Okay, so this is about document. This document for you only. Yes, in this document, yes, including interview questions. There are some interview questions also. For every chapter, interview questions. For every chapter, interview questions are there. Very useful for interviews. For interviews, interview point of view, very useful this document here. Next, around 300 programs prepared. Around 300 programs. Yes, around 300 programs prepared. Many programs prepared here in these documents. Many programs are there. All the programs I'll explain you. In class itself, every program I'll explain very clearly. So this is about your document. Okay. So recordings around 65 to 70 recordings. Class document 30 base document here. Next, JDK software. So then come to JDK. Yes, different versions. The JDK software. Yes, JDK 1.02. Yes, JDK. Yes, Java 8. Discovering versions. So 1. Java 8, Java 9, Java 9, yes, Java 11, and Java 13. Up to this is will be discussing. Up to Java 13 features. Yes, all these I'll explain here. Okay. So first here 1.0 version features, next 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 up to Java 13. Okay, fine. So this is about your about course. Next course contents we'll see. This is about course. Course Java duration 75 days. 75 days exactly here. Time 5 to 6:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday classes. 3 demo classes you can attend till Thursday. You can attend till Thursday. You can attend and finally you can decide it till Thursday. Okay. Yes. So next recordings class document JDK software. Right. So this is about your course. Next year, this is important point. Some non-IT guys, non-IT guys, maybe some doubts. What is prerequisites? Yes. Do I need to have some C language or something like this? Maybe asking something. Okay. Yes. So this is question of what is prerequisite to learn Java? What is prerequisite to learn Java? Nothing required. Nothing required. Nothing required. Nothing required. Non-IT background guys also can understand that. Non-IT backgrounds. Yes, non-IT background guys also. Yes, non-IT background guys. See, nowadays, many non-IT background guys are coming to software field due to this COVID scenario, COVID situation here. Yes, many are interested in software field. Software field. Yes, who are already working in other fields like mechanical, civil fields, maybe 3 years, 4 years already completed. Even that case also now coming to software field because of COVID scenarios. Okay, they are unable to go to office. They are yes, unable to go to yes, actual physical work here. So due to these reasons here, they are coming to this software field. They are starting Java. Yes, nowadays Java everyone requires minimum knowledge. Java has become minimum knowledge. Java and Linux minimum knowledge in the software field. So nothing required. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Can understand. Yes, anyone can understand this here. Okay, I'll be starting with basics. Even don't have C language knowledge, no worry. No worry, I'll start from basics here. Starting from basics. Starting from basics here. Finally, yes, taking to high end. Taking to high end. Taking to high end. Taking to high end. Okay, starting from basics. Starting from basics, finally taking to high end here. Yes, here, by the time of finishing course, yes, how much knowledge you can get it here by the time of finishing course. See, by the time of finishing your course, by the time of finishing course here, course, yes, you will be in a position to put up minimum 3 to 4 years of experience. Yes, you will be in a position, to put up yes, minimum of 3 to 4 years. Yes, here some doubt. Yes, with the core Java, can I put up experience? With core Java only can I get the job? Yes, here there are two things in this. First one, development jobs. First one, developer jobs. The development job. First one is development jobs. Yes, in Java there are some development jobs available. Next, support jobs. Support jobs. Development jobs and support jobs. See, support jobs. Okay, development means complete project development, application development. Completely application development. Okay. Yes, completely application development. Yes, support jobs. Yes, core Java enough. This area, core Java is enough. This area, core Java. Yes, core Java is enough. This area, core Java enough. Just the core Java support for support jobs. They'll ask only for core Java. Core Java in depth of knowledge. Yes, minimum some working experience in core Java. So 3 to 4 years of experience. Minimum of 3 to 4 years of experience you can put up. Yes, by the time of finishing course. By the time of finishing course, starting with basics. See, I'll be starting with basics here. Finally taking to high end. So by the time of finishing course, you'll be in a position to put up minimum of 3 to 4 years of experience. 3 to 4 years of experience. Okay. Yes, one second. Ruby scripting is different, core Java is different. Okay. Yes, core Java different, Ruby scripting is different here. Okay, scripting is very simple. That is, Ruby scripting is very simple. Okay. Yes. So this by the time of finishing course, minimum you can put up 3 to 4. That is guarantee from my side. The thing is every day you have to practice. Your practice converting into experience. Your practice converting into experience. Okay. So this is yes prerequisite. Okay. Nothing required. Nothing required. Non-IT background guys also can understand this course. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Okay. Non-IT background guys also can understand. So this is prerequisite. Prerequisite, nothing required. Okay, right? Yes, next one here about course content. Yeah, this is. I think many are waiting for this one here. What are the course contents covering? Let us about course contents. About course contents. Yes, about course contents. Yes. See, JDK. Actually, JDK means Java Development Kits. Java Development Kits. Java Development Kits. Java Development Kits. Yes, in JDK there are totally 4 editions. Now which part we are going to discuss? Which part is our syllabus? JDK totally 4 editions. Now which one is our syllabus? Let's see. Yes, JDK 4 editions. Totally 4 editions in JDK here. 4 editions. 4 editions. Totally 4 editions here. 4 editions. 4 editions. First one here. Yes, Java SE. Called as JTSE. 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 Okay. So JTSE means Java Standard, Java Standard, Java Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition. Okay. Java Standard Edition. So next one, yes, yes, JW, yes, J2W, J2W, Java Enterprise Edition. So this is the enterprise. This is enterprise edition. So Java Standard Edition. Next Java Enterprise. Java Enterprise. Next after that ME Mobile Edition. J2ME. J2ME. Java Mobile Edition here. Mobile. Enterprise. Next Mobile Edition. Mobile Edition. Next second one. Yes. Next third one. Yes. Next fourth one. Fourth one. Yes. FX. Fourth one it's FX. FX. Okay. Java FX. Java FX. Java FX. Totally 4 editions. Okay. So SE Enterprise Mobile Edition FX. Yes, see this. These 2 editions are not using. Download but not using. These 2 editions not using. Yes, Java Mobile Edition. In this edition, Java is poor. In this edition, Android is a leader. Android leading here. So most of the applications they will develop in Android only here. Java no one using here. This area. Next Visual Effects. This for Visual Java effects for Visual Effects. This also not using. For Visual Effects, many tools have markets like Maya tool, yes, next Premiere. Like that, so there are different tools for Visual Effects, movies. Okay, so this area Java not using. This area only using here. These 2 editions we are using. Yes. So what is standard edition? This is our course. Our course is SE Java Standard Edition. Yes, it's a Java technology. This is it is a yes, it is a Java technology. It's a Java technology. Yes, it's a Java technology. Just it's a Java technology. Just you learning complete Java technology here. So Java foundation, your course is Java technology. Of learning Java technology here. Next enterprise, it's application development part. Enterprise edition. Here this is application. This is application. Yes, application development. Application development. Application development part. This is okay. Application development. So this application development part here. So first is foundation Java technology. Just it's a Java technology. Yes, next intervention is application development. See, of learning Java technology, next you should move to application development. Application development. Suppose if you want to join a support job, that case directly you can join the job here. Yes, with core Java knowledge, directly you can join the support jobs. Support jobs available market here nowadays. Many support jobs available. See, currently many applications developed in Java. Lakhs of applications running in Java. See, 80% of total applications developed in Java only here. Every application, see our daily life, many applications we are using, right? In our daily life, like Facebook developed in Java, WhatsApp developed in Java, GoToMeeting, GoToTraining, Zoom app, next online applications, e-commerce applications, banking applications, next trading applications here. Like this, many applications are there. Yes, almost all these kind of online applications were developed in Java only, like Google Pay. Okay. Yes, next Phone Pay. Yes, all these. Okay. Yes, all these online applications developed in Java only here. Lakhs of applications were developed in Java. Yes, we can give the support for lakhs of applications. Who can give? Java resources. Java resources required for support case. Support resources. Support resources. For support resources, core Java knowledge is enough. Core Java is enough here. Others not necessary. Suppose if you're going for developing new projects, development jobs, so that case he needs, yes, frameworks. Application development is a frameworks part. It's a frameworks. Frameworks. There are different frameworks in Java, like Spring framework, Hibernate framework. Next, Hadoop framework, Spark. Hadoop and Spark also part of Java only here. Java frameworks. Hadoop also Java framework. Hadoop developed in Java only here. Yes, Hadoop also Java frame, one of the frameworks in Java. Hadoop is next. Spark. These are the one of the frameworks in Java. If you know the Java, Hadoop is very easy to learn. This is so frameworks part. This is frameworks part. So frameworks. So first one is Java technology. Java foundation, learning Java technology. Of learning Java technology here, then we should move to application development parts. Application development, frameworks required. Frameworks required. Okay. Yes. Let us see what is foundation. Yes, our course. Let us come to our course. This is our course. This is our course. Java foundation. This is, yes, your course. Okay. So about these contents, let us see. Get these Java foundation contents, means your course contents. Okay, Java foundation, this is your course. So first one, core part of Java. We'll be discussing core part of Java. Core part means compiler parts. Core part means compiler parts. Compiler parts like data types. So data types. Next, operators. Next, control statements. Okay. Data types, operators, control statements we're discussing. Just like a C language, here also data types are there. Yes, I'll explain Java also. Yes, even you learn here C language, in Java also you have to learn data types. Java also you should learn it. Next, operators. Operators exactly like a C language, even like a C language. Yes, I'll explain Java also. Don't worry, I'll explain Java. Non-ITKs, many non-ITKs are coming. For them purpose, I'm explaining these topics also. Control statements like if statements, if statements, next while loop, yes, do while loop, for loop, switch case, all the statements here. At this area, 70 programs are explained here. This area, 70 programs. 70 programs will be discussing. 70 programs. 70 programs. Yes, out of 70, 50 programs I'll explain. 50 programs I'll explain. Okay, I'll explain here. Yes. Next here around 20 programs assignment. 20 to 30 programs. 20 to 30 programs assignments here. 50 programs I'll explain. 20 to 30 programs assignments for you. Assignments you have to solve it. So daily assignments will be there. Here this area. Okay, this here, this basics part. It's a basics. Basics parts. Yes, 70 programs I'll be explaining here. Right? Total number of examples 300. Complete Java. Yes, your complete course is 300 examples. 300 programs I'll explain here. Yes. See, this is first 3 weeks. This topic is first 3 weeks. 3 weeks, first 3 weeks. 3 weeks completely logic building. Logic building. So how to build our logic? Logic building. First 3 weeks completely focus on logic building. Focus on logic building. Okay, how to build our logic? Okay, next logic building. Yes, programming skills. So how to get good programming skills. Okay, yes, improving your logics. How to build your logic here? Or logic building. Okay, focus on logic building. Okay, plus yes, programming skills. How to get the good programming skills? Not only improving thinking skills, logical thinking. Improving your logical thinking. For that purpose, 70 programs I'll be explaining here. Yes, good logic thinking, logical thinking, logic building plus programming skills. How to improve our programming skills? Programming skills plus thinking skills. How to get thinking skills here? Thinking skills. So this is first 3 weeks focus on this. After finishing this, next starting with Java. Oops. Yeah, this is very important. This is first 3 weeks. If you good at this one here, then easy to understand next coming topics. Yes, if you good at these basics here, like this 70 programs, if you able to solve it here, then it becomes very simple. Software becomes very simple. Software itself becomes very simple. C language not necessary. To learn with Java, C language not necessary. So for that reason, these 70 programs I'm explaining here. Okay, these programs, 70 programs, without learning C language Java here, for them very useful here. Of course, who is having C knowledge also, yeah, they also will not see that much of programs. Yes, we'll discuss all that. Okay, so first the core part of Java. Next after that, hoops. Yes, hoops concepts. Yes, hoops. Yes, hoops concept. Starting hoops concept features here. Hoops concept features. Yes, hoop means object oriented programming. Hoop means object oriented. See, in software, C is a first high level language. In software, C language is a first high level language developed in the year 1972. C language 1972. Okay, in C language, there is no security for data. In C language, there is no security for data. To achieve data security, that hoop concept was developed. Hoop concept, main purpose of hoop concept to achieve data security. Yes, in programming, to achieve data security. Okay, that hoop features, how to implement Java. Implementation of hoop features in Java. The topic will be discussed. Yes, in this first one, encapsulation, hoops features, encapsulation. Yes, encapsulation. So how to implement encapsulation? Next, implementation of data abstraction. Yes, implementation of data abstraction. Okay, encapsulation, data abstraction. Yes, actually here, initially hoop concept was developed with only these two features. Hoop was developed with these two features. Initially, only these two features were introduced. 1 second. Here, let me explain one point here. Yes. See, C language. In C language, there is no security for data. Okay, to achieve data security here, hoop features added. C language plus hoop. named as C++. C++. So initially, in first OOPS language is C++. See why named as C++. So why named as C++? Plus plus means increment by 1, right? Plus plus means increment by 1. C language plus 1 is a C++. So what is that 1 here? C language plus OOP is a C++. That's it. C language plus OOP. If this one step increment is C language C++ OOP concept here. C language plus OOPS is a C++. So initially OOPS was developed in C++. Later taken into Java and Python. OOPS was introduced to Java and Python also. Correct? It's Java OOPS features. So how to implement OOPS features in Java? The topic here. So encapsulation, data abstraction, yes, after that, yes, method overloading. So next is method overloading. Okay, yes, method overloading. Okay, encapsulation, first encapsulation, data abstraction, method overloading. Next constructors. After constructors here, next inheritance. Yes, inheritance. Java don't have destructors. In C++, destructors concept is said Java don't have destructors. In case of destructor is a garbage collection concept. Okay, so encapsulation, data abstraction, method overloading, constructors, inheritance, next methods. Yes, methods, method overriding. Yes, method overriding. Method overriding concept. After method overriding, next polymorphism. Sorry, polymorphism. Yes, after polymorphism, yes, next access specifiers and access modifiers. Access specifiers. Next access modifiers. Access specifiers, access modifiers. Yes, after that, packages. Next about garbage collection. Yes, garbage collection. Yes, all of this comes from OOPS concepts here. OOPS concepts. Okay. So after finishing this basic part here, 3 weeks, completely logical building here. Logic building, programming skills getting, thinking skills getting. After that, moving to actual Java. Yes, OOPS concept features. Implementing OOPS in Java. These are the features implementing in Java. Okay, OOP is having many features, but Java does not support all the features. Yes, C++ supporting all the OOPS features. Reason C++. Yes, first OOPS implemented in C++. Later taken into other language. C++ 100% OOPS. Java 80% OOPS. Python 90% OOPS. Yes, that comparison later we'll discuss. We'll see here. So after finishing OOPS features, next, yes, string handling. How to handle strings? String class. Next, string buffer class. Next, string builder class. Okay. Yes, string buffer, string builder. Next, string tokenizer class. See here, these all are to handle strings. These classes are to handle strings. But all the cases, all these strings, all classes you can't use. Some cases using string class, there are different string operations. Different string operations. Yes, string class using for some operations, string buffer for some other operations, string builder. Okay, next string tokenizer. So it depends on requirements. We can use different classes for string operations. Okay. So in real-time projects, how to perform different operations on strings using these classes here. Okay, right? Yes, after finishing this, next one here, yes, object wrapper classes. Objects wrapper classes. Yes, object wrapper classes. Here object wrapper classes. Here main purpose of object wrapper classes is to make the to make everything as object in Java. See, if data in the form of object, there is a security for data. If data in the form of object, data security for data. 1 second. Suppose if you declare some int a equal 10, yes, it is a variable. If data in the form of objects, no security for data. No security. Suppose if data, same data stored in the form of objects, like this is called as object, some integer objects. Integer objects I1 is equal to 10. This object, see, object is like a box. Object is something like a box. 1 second. See, object is something like a box. So this is object. Yes, like a box. Suppose employee object, employee information storing inside the box. Employee information storing into box. Yes, in document everything with memory map expand here. How that storing into memory here? With memory map very clearly expand. For example, this is employee information. Okay, some employee information. Yes, keeping inside the box. See, like a box, like a seed. Suppose any parcel comes, they'll put into box, right? Suppose Amazon delivery, they'll keep inside the box to deliver, right? If it is in the inside the box, this is security. If it is inside the box, this is suppose laptop delivering, they'll put into box and they will deliver, right? They will deliver. Okay, they will deliver. Okay, they will deliver, right? Yes, if data inside the object is like a box. Object is like this kind of box here. If object is inside the box, security for data means object. Yes, see, if data inside the object is like a box. Okay, so keeping inside the box, data keeping inside the object, security for data. Yes, to make, yes, everything is object. To get more security, everything is object. To make everything is object. Okay. Now before 5 o'clock, I don't have classes. Yes, I have office work. Before 5 o'clock, office work for me. Okay. No classes before 5 o'clock. After 5 only. Okay. Yes. Next, object wrapper classes. Yes, after that, next exception handling concept here. Exception. Yes, exception. Exception handling concept. Exception handling. So what is exception? Exception means abnormal termination. Exception means abnormal termination. Abnormal. Yes, abnormal. Yes, abnormal termination. Exception means abnormal termination. Abnormal termination. See, application terminating abnormally. Exception means abnormal termination. Abnormal means suddenly terminating application. Suppose some application, for example, banking application. Banking application connected to database, reading data from database. Banking application connected to database and reading data from database. While reading, suddenly network is down. Yes, maybe terminating application suddenly here. Due to network down, terminating application. But that is not correct. Here. Okay. Yes, application not terminate. Displaying one message. Just display a message here. Okay. It has to display message. Okay. It has to display some message here. Message like network is down. Please try again. Network is down. Server down. Network is low. Please try again. That kind of message. So how to display that kind of message? Where is exception handling? Correct? Exception handling. Yes. This is very, very important. Exception handling, very, very important. Interesting topic also. Yes, after finishing exception handling here. Yes, after finishing exception handling, next one is yes, ISTs. Yes, it's a file handling topic. ISTs is a file handling. Like different files like text files, how to handle text files. Next, CSV files. CSV means comma separate values. CSV files. Yes, CSV. Once let me show that projects. Suppose some sample CSV file. Yeah, these are the CS comma separated values. CSV comma separated values. CSV file. If data like this, getting like this, it's a sample data. But in real-time applications, millions of records, big data getting. Okay, how to handle that big data file here? Yes, 1 GB data getting millions of records, millions of records. How to handle millions of records? If records are getting CSV format like comma separate this format, big data files getting this format here. So how to handle that files here? Okay, that is CSV files concept here. CSV files. Suppose sometimes data getting yes the form of Excel files, Excel files, Excel files, Excel files. So how to handle Excel data? Excel files, data in the form of Excel files sometimes here. Excel, suppose Excel, for example, the Excel sheets. Yes, suppose this is some sample data. Suppose some employee information. How to read this Excel data? Reading this data. How to read this Excel data? Employee information. Using Java program. Using Java program. How to process Excel data? Excel sheet data. So this is next one. Yes, XML data. XML files. Sometimes getting XML files. So how to handle XML files? XML data. This is XML data. This XML data. This XML data. How to handle this kind of XML? XML is different. HTML is different. XML data. How to handle XML data? XML data. XML formats. See various formats you have to work in real time. Various formats. XML files. Okay. Next, sometimes yes, JSON files getting. JSON data. JSON formats. Yes, how to handle JSON format here? JSON files. Yeah, this is JSON file. JSON data file. It's a JSON data. How to handle this kind of JSON data? Like the different formats getting real-time projects here. How to handle that? Yes, I work with every file. All types of files. Next, PDF files. How to process PDF files. Next, images. How to process images. Next, audio and video files. How to handle this? Audio, video. This is here. Audio and videos. So this file handling. This area we'll discuss on real-time projects. I'll explain on real-time project here. Yes, we'll see one real-time project. In this area, we'll see one real-time project. Real-time process, real-time project on data processing. Data processing get server side. Server side. Okay. Yes, we'll see one real-time project. Yes, at server side. How data processing at the server side. Suppose in Flipkart, for example, Flipkart, if you placed any order, what is happening at server side? That programming. Next, suppose what is status of your order? When you click on status, yes, how it's working at the server side. That kind of concepts. Just real experience. Yes, you can see real experience there. Okay, the real-time project development is. Yes, 1 second. Someone is asking for some information. 1 second. Just a minute. 1 second. One second. See, communication purpose. Daily communication with you. Communication purpose. See, I'm creating WhatsApp group for your batch. This is my WhatsApp number. 8179189123. This is my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number. Yes, even voice calls I'm using same number. Voice calls. Yes, anytime. Yes, anytime you can call it. If I'm free, I'll talk to you. Otherwise, I'll call back. Okay. Yes, anytime you can ping me. So any doubt, whatever you want, you can ask me. I can respond. Okay. Yes, I can respond here. See, not only Java doubts, you can ask other doubts also, like your career doubts, how to choose non-IT background goes particularly here. So how to choose your career and all this. 1 second. Current running. Let me show that groups. Currently 8:30 AM batch is going on. Recently started. I think 10 classes completed. Next one more batch 7:30 PM. and diverse batch, 3 batches. Yes. See, core Java, 8:30 AM batch. Yes, 8:30 AM batch. So yes, see that communication there. Their questions, my response. So daily, recently, just only I think hardly 1 week classes completed this. After this batch started. Yeah, this batch, how many joined? 31 members. Yes, 8:30. Yes, your batch also by the end of this week. Yes, minimum 30 members, no doubt. More than 30 members. So 30 members joined in this batch here. This is totally 31 members of that. Okay, so this is their doubts, all the doubts. Yes, my response and everything here. Yes, still they are at the beginning only. Yes, even doubts not started. Still they are beginning. They are asking some information. Next 7:30 p.m. Another batch 7:30 p.m. going on. 7:30 p.m. See, 7:30 p.m. Yes, this batch almost at the end. I think still yes. I think 3 weeks to finish this batch. I think 3 or 4 weeks to finish this batch. Yes, this is also one of the good match. Yes, 40 members. This batch 40 members totally. 40 members and this batch here. Here this batch is going on currently here. Okay. All that communication. Communication. See here some students asking doubts. Yes, even they are interacting personally also. Interacting personally. They are interacting personally. Okay. Yes. Students. So that. Yes, this guy is asking to help me with setup. Okay. Yes, he's asking to help him for setup, Java setup. Like this, see this is the communication. Java students, many are there. Yes, I got all recordings. This is I want to join all this. See this. Yes, sir. Thank you. Like this communication. Minute to minute communication. Okay, minute to minute communication. That communication. Yes, I'm maintaining communication with the students. Okay. Next, one more thing here. Even batch completed, I will not leave you. So communication, lifetime support. For this purpose, I'm creating separate groups. Created separate groups. See, group 1, group 2, group 3. There are 3 groups are created. Group 1, 250 members completed. Then group 2 also complete 250 members. Group 3. Now group 3 also almost at the end completed. Okay. Yes, group 3 also completed. Almost complete. I think your batch members maybe coming to group 4, next group. Yes, since just 1.5 year only, I'm gathering this information, that data. Last 1.5 year, yes, around 1,000 members. Yes, students, their groups created. 1,000 members. Yes, I'm communicating daily with them. If their career doubts, they are asking. They are even I'm helping also. Yes, any requirement comes in my company, I'm sharing the groups. Requirement from my company here. Next, other companies. If anyone asking for the Java resources, yes, I'm forwarding. I'm forwarding that your resumes. Okay, next one more thing here. Recently finished last 5 batches, guys. I'm pushing into my projects. This is my project, next coming project here. Okay. Yes, around 15 to 20 members I'm pushing into this project. Yes, like a 3 to 4 years experience, guys. Yes, this category. 3 to 7 years of experience. This category. Yes, in this category, last 5 batches. Yes, 100 resumes forward, more than 100. I think 110 or 115 resumes forward already. Forward, it's filtering. They are filtering. They are filtering here. I'm planning to push minimum 10 to 15 students, minimum 10 to 15 students into this project. Okay. So not on this one here, not on this kind of help here. Yes, I'm helping like different companies also getting requirements here. Whenever requirements comes here, I'll be sharing the group here. Next, sometimes giving personal reference also. Yes, suppose any in my circle, very close friends, companies are there. I'm giving self-reference also. Depends on our knowledge and all that. Okay, even I can look at that kind of help also. So for that purpose, I maintain these groups here. Lifetime supports. Lifetime supports. Okay. Yes, even yes, batch complete, I will not leave you. Don't think like that. Yes, I will not leave you here. Yes, anytime you can contact me. Okay, like a friend. Like a friend. Like a friend, anytime you can contact me. Any doubts, you can ask me here. Your career doubts. Okay. Then next your career plan. Okay, not only suppose in future, maybe after 1 year also required. So this is my problem, how to solve my issues and all that. Even personal things also, many things are sharing. I'm giving my advice with my experience. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Take this WhatsApp number for communication purpose. Yes, share your details. Yes, your name. Yes, your name. Okay. Next, what's a course you are attending here? Your course. Next, time. So, what's the time you are attending here? Next, Gmail ID. This is very important. Gmail ID very important. Gmail ID. Okay. Yes, today class. Yes, now currently it's recording. Today class is recording here. That recording will be sharing to your Gmail ID. Yes, I'll share to your daily recordings will be shared to Gmail ID. Daily recordings sharing to Gmail ID. So your name, next what is your course you are attending here, next time you are attending, and Gmail ID, right? Course, yes, course Java course. Yes, your time 5 to yes 6:30 p.m. IST. IST. So 5 to 6:30 p.m. IST. Okay, next your name and next Gmail. Yes, Gmail is mandatory here. Yes, not other mails, only Gmails. Gmails. Reason through the Google Drive. I'll be sharing all the things through the Google Drive. Google Drive, so I need Gmail ID here. Gmail ID. Take this number, take it. Take it, I'll continue for the class. Take this number. This for communication purpose. Anytime you can ping me, any doubts you can ask me. Yes. Okay. Take this one. Yes, I'm moving topic. I think taken. So let us move to topic. Yes. So that is using for the communication purpose. Okay, fine. So next, let us go to topic here. Yes. So iOS teams. Exception handling iOS teams. In iOS teams, we'll discuss on real-time projects. Okay. Yes. Of iOS teams here. So next one, iOS teams. Of iOS teams, next collections. Most important topic is collections. Collections, very important collections. See, I'm very good at collections. In every project, almost in every Java project, we should use collections. These collections, nothing with data structures content, data structures part here. Data structures part. It's a data structures part here. Data structures. Like C language in Java, so there are some data structures. Collections. It's a data structures part. Collections. Java data structures. Like C language data structures. Like single linked list, double linked list, stack, queue, and trees like that. In Java also collections are there. Or collections. In collections here, there are list components. List components. Next, second one, yes, queue components, list components. Yes, next queue components. Yes, next, yes, set components. Next, yes, map components. Map components. See here, what's the purpose of collections actually here? Sometimes in application, we should maintain a huge amount of data. Suppose records. To store records, database available. To store the records, database available. In database, we can store millions of records. But sometimes here, we have to maintain huge amount of data temporarily in RAM memory itself, not in database, in RAM memory. So how to maintain huge amount of data in application inside the RAM memory for these collections? Using collections, we can maintain millions of records. Maybe 1 GB. 1 GB means equal to 1 million of records. 1 million of records, size 1 GB. 1 GB data, 2 GB data, 3 GB data, like that. That much of data we should maintain the application, temporarily maintain it here. That is collection sequence. Yes, collections depends on different kind of data. Depends on data here. Like data, different type of data, like structured data, structured data, structured data. Next, unstructured data, structured, unstructured data, structured. Next, unstructured data. Next, semi-structured data, semi-structured data, semi-structured data. So depends on data, we should use different kind of collections. Structured format. Yes, I will discuss. In actual topic, I'll explain about this different kind of data. What is structured data? What is unstructured data? So what is semi-structured data? All this in actual topic I'll explain. Okay. So to handle this kind of data, yes, in big volume, that case we can go for this data sectors here. Data sectors, collections topic here. Yes, after finishing collections, next is networking. Next topic is networking. In this TCP, how to build TCP applications, building TCP applications, developing with TCP applications like one-to-one communication. It's a one-to-one communication. Yes. Here we'll discuss one chatting app, like WhatsApp kind of thing. Like WhatsApp, funny application. Also one funny application, interesting chatting application, like a WhatsApp chat. Okay, like a WhatsApp chatting application. Okay. Next, UDP. Yes, TCP, transmission control protocol. UDP is user datagram protocol. So this is one to many. It's a one to many. One to many means it's a broadcasting application. Broadcasting. It's a broadcasting application. Yes, TCP, one-to-one communication. It's chatting application. UDP, one to many. It's a broadcasting application. It's a broadcasting here. So one to many. That means one computer delivering data to many computers network. So this is one-to-one only here, but it's one to many. One computer delivering data to many computers network. Suppose, for example, some banking system. Suppose at the end of day, they want to deliver some reports to all their branches. In banking system, some bank wanted to deliver some reports at the end of day. So head office, from the head office, delivering reports. For that UDP communication, they will use UDP communication. Same that kind of application we'll discuss. Okay, networking. After finishing networking here, so next one is multi-threading. So next is multi-threading. Yes, multi-threading. See, what is the purpose of multi-threading here? This is to improve the performance. Multi-threading means Java application dividing into multiple parts. Application dividing into multiple parts. Of dividing into multiple parts here, running parallelly. All are running parallelly. It's a multi-threading, multitasking. Multi-threading is just it's a multitasking means multiple jobs, multiple tasks is performing at a time here. This is main purpose of multi-threading is to improve the performance of Java applications, improving performance of Java applications. Multi-threading. Okay, after multi-threading, next features. SC. See, our topic is SC features, Java standardization features, as well as our syllabus. SC supports what? SC is nothing but syllabus. Core part of Java, all the features, SC features, and our course also same. Our course. Multi-threading. Next one is JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. It's a database. JDBC, this is actually not part of your course. I'm not covering. This is not only myself, from Durga or anywhere, no one will cover. This is advanced Java. JDBC is another 45 days course. JDBC is another 45 days. Advanced Java, I think this is around 75 to 80 days taking care. Okay. Yes, 75 to 80 days. Yes, my batch is 75 days. Advanced Java also, I'm taking 75 days. 70 core Java, advanced Java, both together 150 days. After finishing core Java, next if you're going for advanced Java, 75, almost 5 months. Two courses, only core Java 75 days. 75 days. So JDBC, after JDBC, next AWT, next applets, applets. Yes, applets. Yeah, these two things are outdated. Outdated. They are not required here. Outdated. Outdated 15 years ago. Yes, around 2004-5 outdated. Not necessary. These are not necessary. This is complete SE features. Yes, your syllabus is up to 9th topic is your syllabus. Up to 9th topic. Up to multi-threading. After finishing multi-threading, next version-wise features here. JDK 1.0 features. Next 1.1 features. 1.2 features. Next 1.3 features. 1.4 version-wise. 1.5. Next 1.6. Next 1.7. 1.6, next 1.7 features. Version-wise features will be discussing. Next 1.8, from this calling it Java 8 features. Java 8, from this calling it Java 8. Next Java 9 features. Java 9, yes, Java 9. Next Java 11, yes, Java 13. Now currently we are using Java 9. Industry, most 90% of industry using Java 8 only. Okay, some companies using Java 9 also. Yes, we are using Java 9. Presently in our present project we are using, yes, since last two projects, yes, we are using Java 9. Java 9. Yes, Java 11 and 13 also updated. Already our team updated. Here. Any client is asking for 11 and 13, 11 or 13. We are ready to implement. But presently no one is asking here. Up to 9 only here. Okay. See 8 and 9 special focus on 8 and 9. Java 8 and 9 features special focus on Java 8 and 9 features. Okay. Yes, next 11, 13 topics also will cover. Last 10 days, this topic. Last 10 classes this week, this one here. Last 10 classes, 8, 9, 11, 13 features. Last 10 classes. Okay. So this is complete your syllabus. Okay. So you can starting, yes, 1, 13, Java 13, up to 13. Yes, we'll be discussing all version features. So this is our complete syllabus. Complete syllabus. Okay. So this is today first day. Yes, about me. Okay. About codes. Next prerequisites. About codes. So about me, this is, yes, lot of experience in the Java. Now presently my role in projects, my role solution architect. Solution architect. Solution architect. My role on the projects, solution architect on Java and Hadoop projects. Java Hadoop projects, solution architect. Okay. Yes, this is your course. 70, yes, core Java 75 days. Time 5 to 6:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday classes. 3 demo classes you can attend till Thursday. Okay. Yes, 1 second. Yes, course fee and all this. Yes, if still that information you can just contact online team here. Online team. Yes, online team number. This is, I'll give you online team number. Durgasoft online team. Yes, online team. One second. Yes, 772 07 2124 2124 27. Okay. For more details, so this is the online team number. Just you contact them. Just fee and all this. Next account details and all this. Everything they'll share you. Account details, payment details and all. Okay. Yes. Yeah. For Selenium core Java required compulsory. Yes, 100% helpful this course. Core Java required compulsory for Selenium. See, logic building purpose I'm taking first 3 weeks. First 3 weeks is very useful. How to build your programming logic. Maybe lack of programming skills, lack of logical thinking. So first 3 weeks I'm taking. First 3 weeks on OOPS concept is very useful for the Selenium tools. For Selenium tool, OOPS concepts and logic building. And next in Selenium, one more files. Yes, Excel files. In Selenium, mostly getting Excel files. How to handle Excel files. So that concepts. How to handle strings. Very useful, 100% no doubt. Selenium tool compulsory core Java required. Without core Java, you cannot understand Selenium tool. For that, very useful this is. Okay. Yes. Next. Yeah, that's all about our course and all this. So this is online team number. Okay. Yeah, that's all for tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow same time, same link. Yes, tomorrow starting actual classes. Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow starting actual classes. Starting actual classes. Actual classes. Actual classes. Yes, you can see for 3 more classes. 3 more classes demo. You can see after that you can decide it. So tomorrow starting actual classes. 3 more classes demo. Tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow day after till Thursday you can attend. You can see. Yes, if okay, fine, then you can join. Just you ask your friends. Ask your friends. Every batch minimum 30 to 40 members in my batches. Okay. Yes. Yes, that's all for today. Yes, same link for tomorrow. Same link. Same link. Same link. Yes, same time. Same link, same time. 5 o'clock. Same link and same time. Yes, at 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. Same link. Before 5 p.m. don't have the classes. Before 5 p.m. don't have. Before 5 p.m. my office work. Okay. Yes. Same link, same time at 5 p.m. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes, any doubts? Still any doubts are there? Still any doubts? No doubts. Yes, still doubts are there. Yes, my WhatsApp number is there, given already here. Just you can contact. Any doubts? Still any doubts? Yes, contact. Yes, WhatsApp number already given. You can contact me WhatsApp. That WhatsApp. Yes, communication purpose amazing. Minute to minute communication, amazing this month. This is a communication purpose. Personal interaction with you. Okay. Yes. You can ping in chat box or else yes, you can call me. Okay. Yes. Right. Yes. Fees details, account details, and all the just contact online team. Fee details and account details, contact online team. This is online team number. Okay. Yes. Here I'm taking core Java, advanced Java 2. Both I'm taking here. Not only core Java, I'm taking advanced Java class also. After finishing core Java, you can move to advanced Java. The complete package details, just talk to online team. Complete package, just to talk to online team, they will tell you. Okay. Yes. Right. So Oracle, that no, I'm not taking Oracle classes. Only Java classes. Java classes. Yeah. So that's all for today. So thank you guys. Yes. See you tomorrow. Yeah, that's all for today. So thank you guys. Yes, see you tomorrow, same time, 5 o'clock. Thank you.